Okay, I can't do this. I can't do this. So tomorrow is OWO 2024. That's Obrani Wawu October. One of this segment called Drip Contest, and it's like you signing yourself up for your outfit. I know I'm going to wear something very basic.
A few moments later.
Just updates, guys. Being a biome. Hey, have you seen the people dressing there? I can't go and do the drip contest. No.
In this new era of locked in, you are trying all the uncomfortable. Let me know that one actually. You are trying all the uncomfortable things I wouldn't have done on the normal, right? So putting myself out there, no, never. But I mean, what do I have to do? Nothing really. And I'm going to be sending my camera. You know, it's crazy because even on campus, some people don't even have a camera. And I'm pulling up all the way in a car with a camera. Oh my god. I love this new era. I know my walking is so terrible. Wait, how do the models do it? I can't keep a straight face. I just ate gobe. So nice. It's been a while. The last time I ate gobe, hey, it was so trash. Of course, I still my mother's gobe, but I was scarred for life. So for the past 4 months, I have not eaten gobe. That was how deep the scar was. But then yeah, let's get practicing. Yeah, I should actually walk like that. It's like I'm not even walking in a straight line. I'm not walking in a straight line. There's a line on the floor. Focused. Okay, so at this point, yeah, that's it for this part. I have a question though. Like, is there a way models work, or you can just work in normal working? Then that's it for today. Today is Saturday, Abby. Yeah, the program is tomorrow, Sunday. So bye.
Good morning, and we are ready to go for the Obrani Wawu Festival. So I'm finally at the Bekusi taxi rank. I just highlighted that and God being so good, I had the opportunity to get a cash straight to Accra. Hi. So we are in Makola, and the driver is so kind. He's actually sending me to the running park place. I'm just so grateful. I don't know. The lip thing I'm trying to do is not working out. It's not working out. It's not looking nice. My wife suggests lips. Yeah, we are at well, apparently they say this is Rollins Park. I'm now going to look for wherever the thing is happening. I think I have to release my hair too. Oh, let me show you the fit check. Wait, where do I do fit check? Right here.
I'm so scared right now. Somebody can grab me. Thank you so much for staying this far. Please subscribe if you haven't. Anyway, towards the end of the video, I'll make a very short compilation of all the clips I shot of the event. Every other thing after this is showing how I was feeling during the day. Thank you for understanding. I don't know, they say this is Rollins Park, but I'm not seeing anything happening. But the park is very big. But then the thing is, I know Rollins Park has some center, and I think that's where it's happening. So I finally found, hi, Jesus! Finally found a place, and I'm so excited because why not? I'm finally in, and I think I'm about to take out my camera. So shy. I don't know, it feels so like empowering. And then I've had a couple of photographers be like, oh, they like my shots.
Again, guys, welcome to Obrani Wawu October. Guys, you want to register for the thrift contest. Okay, Cantamanto! I can't, you can't, we can't. And we are not talking about English grammar, we are talking about Cantamanto. Okay, listen, Obrani Wawu October is here to highlight the community, the culture, the history, and the resilient ecosystem that is Cantamanto. We have thrift shopping here in Ghana, and it happens at Cantamanto.
Touch my forehead, chest, left shoulder, then right side. Pray my brothers are good outside. I know the vibes, I know the vibes.
Yes, I'm recording. Thank you so much. Like this is
About to wet. Hey, and they put a ring on it. And they put a ring on it. And they put a ring on it. Your own design. Okay. Into way say me pesa me twa. Me nya na here. What the mama me here? 5K. Hey, international. Your life to the rest.
I'm done. I'm going.
A few moments later.
So here, because the fashion show just started and I needed to record that. So yeah.
At the end of the fashion show. All right, let's see you. Let's see you. Put your hands together. Yes. Hey, wait. Put your fans. Put your fans. What's that? Yes. Oh, that's not. That's not. That's not. That's not. Laugh.